Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Oh, I like those. Hey everybody, so we are back in the Dollar Tree, and of course I have to stop over by the spring stuff just to see, because they have this at the front of the store. So I just want to check out what's in the Dollar Tree today. Look at this basket. That's cute. It's shaped like a princess and it's pink, and then it looks like they have purple. The cute little dinosaur eggs. Here's some cute felt baskets. They look like carrots. I like those. They got these cute baskets. Look at that. So you have 3 different sizes. You have that one, this one, and that. I like those. Inside are pink, and they do have the little handle. And then they also have this one and these. Those are cute. Here you got some bunny containers. Those are cute. That's the back of it. Here's the front. You can fill those up with some goodies and give them. They look like Peeps, but just different, and they also come in pink. Oh, and there's blue and purple. I saw these in a different video that I did, and I'm tempted to buy some of these. I've been thinking of something to do with these, but I'm not sure. But you get 4 of the fabric treat sacks in a bag. More of the speckled eggs. These are so cute, and I've been seeing these everywhere. But the other stores, you'll get like 9 in a pack, and they're usually like $5 or $6. So to get 6 for $1, that's definitely a good deal. Here's some more baskets over here. Look at his face. It's a baby chick. Those are cute. And then they also have the bunnies in pink and blue. Gotta love the bunny tails. Look at these cute little headbands with the bunnies on it. And they have purple. Let's see, they have blue. Oh, and they have little tails. That's cute. And they also have pink. Over here by the plants, I see some ribbon, some burlap ribbon with the lace. I think that's the only design they have. Oh, here are the cute spring lights. Let's see if it works. Yep. So they have the dragonfly, butterfly, the leaves, and the flowers. And what is it? You get 10 lights on a string. Look at these cute pineapples. Oh my goodness. Those are cute. I only see the 2 colors. So they have this one and the yellow. Those are cute. Desktop or kids. So if you're a teacher, you can get these and put the kids' names on them. And they have the boys and the girls. Create hellos and smiles. It has 6 characters. Yeah, so let me see the back of it. Oh, that's cute. So the kid can color their, the clothes and then write their name on it. Then you can put those on their desk. And those are by Crayola. Oh, look at these foam beads. This pack is pastel colors. And then I see solid colors in pink, green, purple, and blue. If you're looking for these to do some crafting. And then I figured I would check out the book section just to see what they have. Let's see. The Mother. Yvette Edwards. That looks interesting. I have not had time to read lately. Gosh. What is this? Oh, Mr. Wrinkles. I love their kids' books. This is by Papercraft. Oh, there's another one. It says Pig's Egg. They have some good books. And then this one, Charlie and the Cheese Monster. Oh, I'm definitely going to be getting this one for Pooh Bear. That looks interesting. I'll read that to him. So I'll get that. Let's see what else they have. What are these? Oh, these look like some new puzzles. What's this? Let's see. Oh, they got Minnie Mouse. That's cute. superhero, PJ Masks. Oh, I'll be getting this one. Pooh Bear likes to say Hulk smash, so I'll get that. They got Hatchimals, some more PJ Masks. So I guess they got different, oh, that's cute. Different designs in each puzzle. And then Vampirina. Let's see. Oh, there's Mickey. I might get that one. And I like this one. I'll get that one too. Cute puzzles. Oh, look, they got the Incredibles. Okay, but I think I'll just get those 3 for now. Let's see. I always check out their wall stickers. This one looks new. I haven't seen this one. That's cute. The cactus. Oh, I like that one. I've been obsessed with cactus like for the past couple months. I don't know why. I recently got this one with the unicorn. They still have these mirror stickers. They have more over here. Oh, look, they brought back the plants that have the bulbs on the end. So they have these. They got different ones that I remember from last year. I see that one, the tulips. Lots of different ones. And there's some over here. Oh no, that's not one. It doesn't have a bulb on the end. Somebody just put that there. But yeah, these were cool. Oh, these are pretty. Got different styles with the ombre type of jars. I really like this one. I like that orange, but I don't need any more jars, so these are gonna have to stay. But those are definitely pretty. They still have these. Oh, this store has restocked these tops, the Shatterproof tempered glass lid. It fits a 4-quart pressure cooker, and these were out before, but they sold really fast, and now they're back. So it's just the top. I wish there was a pot to it. That would be too perfect, huh? But they do have these. Oh, look at these ceramic trays. These are cute. I like those. Do I need one? I don't, but I think I'm gonna get one. And these are up by the registers. Oh, look, here's some earbud cases. It says on the go. Little hard shell. It's actually hard. And they zip open. That's kind of cool. I think I'm gonna get one of these. Look, you guys, there's some new Bolero. Here's coconut and verbena. This is the creamy lather body wash right here. And of course, with every set, it comes with all the same stuff that they always put in there. So you have a body wash, a hand moisturizing hand wash, facial wipes, which I always purchase because I like to try them out. Here's a body cream, a body oil. Let's just stop for a second. Look at the packaging. That is so cute. So you have the body oil, more body oil, and then you have the bath soak right here. And then below it, it's exactly the same thing except for it's peonies and pear, and it says soothing. Now look at the packaging on that. It has the little pears on it. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. And my favorite is down here, pineapple, coconut, and lime. I will definitely be getting some of this. I might actually even get the bath soak, which I normally don't get, but I like this combination of the pineapple, coconut, and lime. And I'll probably get one of these too just to try it out. But oh my goodness, the packaging on these just kills me. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And up here by the registers, look at these new tote bags. This one says choose joy. I like that one. The one behind it says good things are coming. And my favorite that I see right now is this one. How pretty is that? Let your dreams bloom. And I think that is it. Oh no, then you just have this floral one with the cactus on it. These are cute. And then over here, I see some head wrap, and these are super cute, and they're really soft and stretchy. And the cool thing is, I see this darker kind of pineapple, and then look at this pineapple pattern. It's a little lighter. I see the flamingos. That's cute. And then, oh, look at that. It has some unicorns with, look at that, like castles and trees, clouds with rain. Oh my goodness. I'll probably get a couple of these. What else is there? Up here you have the mermaid print. And they do have the elastic in the back like that where it's scrunched up. Let's see what else. Down here is another flamingo. And that is all I see for these. But I'll be getting a couple of these. Okay, I feel crazy for noticing this, but look at how perfect the chip display is. I mean, they either just put this up like this just recently or nobody wanted any chips today. So I figured I'd come back here and check out the food section before I leave. I don't see anything new popping out. I am tempted to get some of the Cinnabon Gooey Bites. Those are so addicting. But that is it. So thank you guys for coming with me. I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys later. Oh, look at those chicken and vegetable pot stickers, and they got pork and vegetable by Fortune Avenue.